In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your Shopify domain to Wix. This is a handy skill to have, especially when you're considering switching platforms to capitalize on Wix's robust website building features. Let's dive right in. Starting off, you'll want to log into your Shopify account and head over to your admin dashboard. Look for the Online Store section in the menu on the left and click on Domains. Once you're on the Domains page, you'll see a list of all domains associated with your Shopify account. Choose the one you need to transfer. Now, here's an important step: you need to unlock your domain for transfer. By doing this, you're making it eligible to switch over to another platform. Locate the Domains page resources and click on the domain you wish to transfer. You'll then see an option called Domain Settings. Clicking here should reveal the Unlock Domain option. Make sure your domain is unlocked, and don't forget this part, it's crucial. Next, you'll need to secure the authorization or EPP code from Shopify. This code acts as a key for your domain transfer. Once you've unlocked your domain, you'll be able to request this code directly from Shopify. Keep this code somewhere safe, you'll need it soon. Now it's time to hop on over to Wix. After logging into your Wix account, navigate to the Domains section. You should see an option that says Connect a domain you already own. Click on this, and then you'll be guided to Transfer Domain to Wix. Enter the domain name you plan to transfer from Shopify, and click Continue. The next step is entering that EPP code you acquired from Shopify. Type it in carefully. Once submitted, you'll have a series of instructions to follow. These typically include verifying your ownership of the domain. Expect an email from the domain provider to complete this verification process. It's essential to check your email regularly and follow any additional verification requests, as delay here can pause the transfer process. As you proceed, be aware that domain transfers can take anywhere from a few days to possibly a week. During this waiting period, ensure that your email address connected to that domain remains accessible for any further confirmation requests. Finally, once the transfer is complete, Wix will notify you. At this point, you can start managing your newly transferred domain directly in Wix and begin customizing it to fit your needs perfectly. By following these detailed steps and keeping a close eye on your email for updates, you can seamlessly transfer your domain from Shopify to Wix without a hitch. Thanks for joining me today, and good luck with your new website journey on Wix.